Okay, I'm gonna finally put in my BedRug carpet kit. Yanked out the old nasty. Time for some new stuff. Let's see how this looks. I like the color. A little bit darker than the stock stuff I had. I'll drop it up here to get an idea of how it's gonna lay in. Okay, it's kind of what it looks like for the front kit. Little instructions, some Velcro, a couple of reflective bits for the heat, and that's it. I went ahead and put down some noise deadener insulation. Okay, with the BedRug, looks like I'm going to put down this reflective mat right onto the carpet in roughly these positions, so it'll be up near the transmission in the middle on both sides. Okay, I'm dry fitting them in there first. Got the passenger side in. Here's where I put the reflective tape on this side. I didn't go up higher, even though I kind of wanted to, but there's Velcro right there, so figured I'd leave that off. Now I'm going to flip this sucker around and just shove it into place. See how it fits. And so far, I'm really liking it. I'm gonna have to slide it forward. I'm gonna need both hands. But you're getting the idea. Well, the carpet isn't extremely high quality stuff. I'd call it medium quality. The color is perfect for this Jeep inside here. Also, the old carpet reaches up and there's a couple clips that go on to hold this in place. This one isn't quite long enough if you go by the form fitting. It fits pretty good. It doesn't fit as perfect with all this insulation I put in there, but it's going to fit pretty darn good in the long run once the chairs are in. Now I'm going to find the appropriate places to tack the Velcro on each side. On the driver's side, there's basically just two spots for Velcro, so I've taken one of these, just put it on the existing Velcro, and then I'm going to take these off, line it up, and try to shove it in there the right way. Okay, you really don't have to have the seats out to do this. I took them out because I was going to do this experiment with the sound deadening. On this side, there is a piece of Velcro that's going to go up there, and then another one down there, and I'm just going to slip them in, peel them off, and then set it back down in. I also got the rear kit, and it looks pretty cool. I was kind of most excited about that tailgate piece. Okay, I had to start with this thing because it looks so cool. I cut out a little notch there because I have the kit letting me lay down the tailgate. Of course, I'm missing a piece of fabric right there because that is gone. All I did was take out all these screws. I left that one because I didn't want to get an Allen bolt, and I just lifted this up and slid it in there. The rest of this is all Velcroed down, and man, it is nice. Looks really good. I think I've got it all in. It's not a perfect fit back here in some of these areas, but I don't think it's bad enough that it won't work great. It looks great. It feels great with that extra cushion underneath there. I am going to have to cut some little holes so I can access some of these tie downs, which I will use, but it fits really nice, really tight. I ended up having to cut a few little pieces out to fit for my situation, but it looks really good. Well, there's what the installed BedRug looks like. The only thing I don't like is that there's no carpet over here, and I put the sound deadener there, but the carpet fits and looks great. Here's the back. That's my CB wire, but really, really a good looking fit. I think it's worth the money.